Hey, what is up guys? This is 3G Dimps, and today we're going to be changing out the turn signal switch. These are the tools you're going to need to install the turn signal switch. You're going to need a drill with a drill bit and a screwdriver, whichever you prefer and whichever is easier for you. So the reason why I am switching this out is because it does work, but to turn on the bright lights, it just comes back. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. So we're going to be under the steering column and the steering wheel. There's going to be 4 bolts total. There's going to be 2 at the bottom and 2 on the top to take off. So when you're done with those 4 bolts, you're going to want to come to the ignition switch. And you're going to want to come right here. There's going to be 1 bolt in this hole where my finger's at. So now what you're going to want to do is take off the bottom piece. And you just take it off slightly. So now what you're going to want to do is slightly take this top piece off. Pick it up and just... So what we're gonna want to do is look between right here and look between right here. There's gonna be a thing to pinch. All you do is push down and it's already loose, and the same thing to the bottom. And then what we're gonna do is pinch those 2 points and we're gonna pull this out like that. Easy as that. Then get the new one, install it the same way. You can't mess it up. So all you do is hear those clicks and it should be good to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and install everything back on. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and tighten up everything. So right now we're gonna just double check and make sure everything works. Well guys, that's it for this video, and I just received my package this morning and it's a huge surprise for my car coming up in the next episode. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And this is 3G_DIMPS, and see you next time.